Today we are making mango fruit delight.
This is a very tasty dessert recipe to try at home.
Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking in Style.
Now let's start the recipe.
Two packets of biscuits. Freshly chopped fruits. Condensed milk 200 grams. First, beat 600 grams of fresh cream. Mix condensed milk into the cream. And now beat it. Keep aside. Now you must drain tinned fruits. Drain it, but do not throw the water away. Keep it aside for later. Pour the water into a bowl. Now let's make the fruit delights.
First, spread beaten cream on the bottom. Dip the cookies into the fruit's drained water and place it on top of the cream. Now on top of the biscuit, spread another layer of cream. Now decorate it with fruits on top of the cream. Use fruits such as fresh mango, pineapples, and cherries. You can also use strawberries.
Now on top of the fruits, add biscuits. Spread the final layer of cream. Now top it off with fruit and decorate in any way you want. This is a really tasty recipe to try, and it is decorated very beautifully. It tastes really good with different layers of cream, fruits and biscuits. Alhamdulillah, the dessert is done. If you have not subscribed to Cooking in Style, please subscribe. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. You can also find the ingredients and recipe in the description box down below. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.